Guys, remember the legend? There was a time when if you dropped your phone, you didn't check the screen, you checked the floor for cracks. Well, that era is making a comeback, but with a massive futuristic twist. Imagine a device that packs a DSLR-grade camera, a battery that refuses to die for 3 whole days, and a price tag that will actually make you smile. No, this isn't a dream, this is Nokia's newest bombshell. Today, we are deep diving into the leaks of the Nokia X200 5G. Stick around until the end, because this phone is about to shatter every expectation you have. Let's get into it. Features of the Nokia X200 5G. The display. First up, let's talk visuals. What are we looking at here? This phone is rumored to rock a massive 6.92-inch LTPO display that is pure magic. Once you lay eyes on this, every other screen is going to look dull. We're talking about a Super AMOLED panel with a buttery smooth 144Hz refresh rate. Whether you're gaming or binging Netflix, every action is going to feel incredibly real. It's also got an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor right under the glass. But the best part, it's built like a tank. With an IP69 rating, this thing laughs at water, dust, extreme heat, or freezing cold. It's ready for anything. Camera setup. But guys, the real game changer is around the back. Remember when Nokia was the undisputed king of mobile photography? Well, they're coming for the crown again. The X200 is packing a mind-blowing 6-camera setup. Leading the pack is a massive 300-megapixel main sensor. You might be asking, why do I need 300 megapixels? Simple. The detail. You could crop into these shots infinitely or print them billboard size, and they'll still look razor sharp. It's not just taking photos, it's capturing history. And for the creators and selfie lovers out there, you're getting a crisp 50-megapixel front shooter. Your Instagram game is about to hit a whole new level. Performance. Now, let's look under the hood. What's powering this beast? Rumors say it's running on Qualcomm's cutting-edge Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor. Just hearing that name tells you everything. Performance isn't even a question. Whether you're running heavy emulators, rendering video, or multitasking with 20 apps open, this phone won't even break a sweat. Plus, it's launching with Android 16 right out of the box, giving you the absolute latest in security and AI features. Battery backup. Alright, let's address the elephant in the room, battery life. We all hate that low battery anxiety, right? Well, with the Nokia X200 5G, consider that problem solved. They are cramming in a monstrous 9500 mAh battery. I know, it sounds impossible, but that's the leak. We are talking about a legitimate 2 to 3 day battery life on a single charge. And when you finally do hit zero, no worries, the 120-watt superfast charger in the box will juice this thing up in minutes. Battery stress is officially over. Price and launch date. So, the million-dollar question, what is this going to cost you? Get ready, because Nokia is aiming to disrupt the market. Analysts are predicting this flagship killer could launch in the US for around $849. For specs like this, that price point is an absolute steal. While we don't have a confirmed launch date just yet, the hype train has left the station, and we expect this to hit the shelves very soon.